Hey, yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. First and foremost, I want to say this. Welcome to the Circle of Honor podcast. We're going to be restoring honor. As I was riding home the other day, somebody hit me in the DM and say, look at this, and they started at me on this page. When I go to the page, there's a guy by the name of Hushpuppi. And it said Hushpuppi was arrested and he's telling on other Nigerians. And I said, damn, this kid is playing a risky game, telling on Nigerians. What is wrong with him? Their honor is intact. But let me give you an understanding here. When you have a name by the name of Hushpuppi, you should be an individual that hush puppies. I mean, at the end of the day, if you don't carry it like that with that name, you look like a big-time airhead in front of the whole world. Because at the end of the day, you earned your coin. I can't understand these guys. You earned your coin. When you earned your coin, that wasn't enough for you? You mean to tell me, after earning an honorable coin, you gotta tell. You have to be the individual that can't hush puppy. Now, I'm going to continue to say this about this Mizut, because at the end of the day, why would who named him this? I need that person to come forth to give me understanding about this kitten. This kitten has taken time out to run around with the name Hushpuppi, and he has diarrhea of the mouth. He can't keep quiet. I mean, this guy is telling on his friends. He has gotten down with the government every which way possible. He's might even been real zaped or something by him, the way he's carrying it around. You know, he doesn't care, this guy. He got his name all over the billboards, big time reels at Hushpuppi. Big time reels at in this movie here, Hushpuppi. Big time Mizut. Big time mutt who couldn't take his licking and take the ticking. Listen to me, guys. If the reward outweighs the risk and you already have dove in, take the bitter with the sweet. Why are you being an informant? At the end of the day, they're going to say time off. You kidding? They shoot those numbers to you, and I don't even think it's a mandatory in that. You mean to tell me you bend it, you fold it, you went every which way direction so you can keep $1 or $2. Man, larceny is crazy out here. And y'all fall for it every time. Anything that got to do with the buck, that involves the buck, you individuals damn near jump on a hammer and put it dead in your mouth because you're just trying to figure out a coin. I mean, no one wants to be broke, but you mean to tell me you get in bed with damn near Sammy the Bull? Or you turn into a damn near Sammy the Bull? And you got to earn? I would have to say something in you that's not of honor. There's something that's running around in your heart, to me, that makes me say, you're worse than a real Zad or a snizzake. You have dishonor mixed within you. You shouldn't even be called anything. Because your radism is to a different high here. Your radism is like past Rizat. You like the Rizat tata. Because at the end of the day, you're going to tell and keep busting? Come on, man. Where's the honor in that? And I'm talking about you kittens got a lot of y'all. I mean, every last one of y'all I see out in the community, y'all play gangster. I see y'all, the Rizats. Tuck they tail when it's just you and them. But I'm going to guarantee you one thing here. If you think you're going to do something to one of them on them cameras, they're going to back the cameras up. I'm King Earner from the Honor of Your Life. Smack, you don't deserve that much. Get out of here. From the Honor of Your Life campaign. Hushpuppi honor is thrown in a sewer. He needs the hardcore part of the radism. He don't need to be on the moon for the time being, and then he rat his way back down into a sewer hole. His radism is straight to the sewer hole from the rip. You know why? He should have been a Hushpuppi. Instead, he's a hush muddy. King Earner live and direct. I know how I'm coming, man.